24, Riley Horn. And number 25, Stella Dobson.
Woo!
Fans, we are ready. 8th grade championship basketball girls game. Good luck to all of our athletes.
All right, D up, D up. There you go. Good job, yours. Good shot, good shot. Oh. There you go, Sam. There we go. There we go. There we go. Shot, Riley. All right, girls, D up. We got a box, girls. There you go. You got it. Yeah. Good contest, good contest. There you go, Sam. There we go.
For 2.
There you go, D up, Sam. There we go. Woo. There you go. Oh, oh.
Lori Huffman.
Yeah. That's only in like youth that you can't press. There we go.
Such.
Look good, Jules. Straight up. Yes. There we go. Good job, Rolls. Stay with, stay with, stay with, stay with, stay with. Yes.
Under 1 minute remaining.
Good hustle. Good job, Jules. There we go. Good shot, Stella. There we go, Jules.
This is 50 coming at you.
Good D. Good shot, good shot, good shot.
Good help.
Maddie Minnis, jumper for 2.
Stay wide.
Good contest, Sav. Good contest, Sav. Up. There you go. You're good. You're good. Travel.
Back use the Royals number 24, Riley Holmes.
Oh. Oh.
In front, right, to the right, to the right. Box out, box out.
There you go, Jules. There you go, Jules. Stick with it, Jules. There you go, Jules. Oh!
Under 1 minute remaining in the half.
Corner, corner, corner. Oh! There you go. You got it. That's you. Follow.
Royals substitution under the
Good shot, Riley!
3 ball.
Good job, Riley! Oh, Oh, you had to step back?
That's it, stay down. It's so deep, good help.
Oh! Ball security. Cut, cut, cut. Sav, you had it. There you go, Stella.
In the lane for 2.
There we go, there we go. Way to look, way to look. Swing it back, swing it back. Get through, cut, 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 cut. Swing it, up top. Gosh dang. You got it, Sav. There you go, Sav.
It's pointing out.
There you go, Chevy. How's that not a foul?
Defense, girls. Good defense. Behind.
Minutes 2. Jules Yousefi 2. Deflection.
Watch the screen down low.
think 2.
Under 1 in the third quarter.
Jade up. Oh, you had it. You had it. There we go. Look good, Sav. Look good, Sav. There you go. Good cut, good cut. Up top. Oh, you have it, Riley. Good shot. Good follow, Sev. There we go, Jules.
Let's go, Ryan.
There you go, Savvy. Get it. Get it.
Riley, help, Riley, help.
Wait, she's good, right? That foul wasn't on her. Yeah. All right.
In the corner, guys. Ball.
All right, D up.
Murray. 2-point basket.
Wait in front, Riley! No! There we go! There we go! D up, D up! Travel!
Savannah off the glass. 2. After the timeout, Oilers inbounds.
She doubled.